Hi, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my channel. And this is Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be telling you about a app you can make money on it. Millions of naira on this app I'm about to share with you. I've been away for a while due to some reason, motherhood and other reasons. And today, even as I'm filming this video, my boy is on my back, as you can see. So I just want to manage and share this new updates with you, and I know it will benefit you all, my fans. So without wasting much of our time today, if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. And on this channel we talk about what will benefit us, how to make money online, and so much more. And today I'll be telling you about this app called Boomplay. Boomplay is a app that is well known to people for music, downloading music and the rest. But what you don't know about this app is that you can also make money on it. And today, without wasting much of our time, as I said earlier, I will be going right into the details on how you can start making money off this app I'm about to share with you. So I'll be sharing my screen with you, and you can see how you can do it as well. I'm also on the app, as you know now. We all must make this money. So when you download Boomplay or you have it on your phone, just click on it. Because I'm already on the app and I'm working on the app already, so I'll just click on my account. And after clicking on my account, it will bring my wallet, all these stuff, blah blah blah. So I'm not in for that. But where you need to work and start making money is for you to go offline. You should go live. So you go to the live side. When you go to the live side, then you see B music, search live, explore, and library. But you click on the middle live. So here you see mic at the right hand corner, the left hand corner. You shall see an image. You see an image like microphone. So you click on it, and when you click on it, you see, when you click on it, you see my caption is, my topic is everything about life. So I'll just go down, but you see underneath you see audio and video. So I'll be doing audio because I'm recording video just to teach you people how you can do it. So go live. When you go live, then you see there are plenty of seats. Over 10 you have over 10 seats for people to come and join you and sit on. So the beautiful part about this app is that when you go live, you can start playing games. If you don't see people to join you on your seats to gist and talk about stuffs, so you can, if you find it boring and you have coin on your account, you can go right to the game part and you start playing games. And their games is very easy, not the ones on the other apps that they already know. You should understand what I'm saying. This is new, and the games on it are sweet, and they're still allowing people to win and get paid. So, and you can also gift yourself. You're like, no, I don't want to waste my coin. Maybe I may not win the game, and you want your money or your coin to be channeled to another thing. You can channel it to gifting yourself. And when you gift yourself, the sweet part is that you are collecting double of the money you gift yourself. Whether you gift yourself or you give other people, you are still, the profit is still coming back to you, and the main money you send is still coming back to you as well. So you can see how sweet the app is, and people are really making money on it. And for you to see evidence, they even, and my direct boss on this app withdraw 6,000 plus. That was last week. I'm going to be putting it on this video for you to see yourself, and you can withdraw on your Binance account, and you can also withdraw through your Palmpay. When I want to withdraw, I don't use Binance account, I use Palmpay direct. So I collect my money direct, and they will tell you the amount, the current dollar rate That's what you're going to be collecting inside your PayPal account. So therefore, run down. So as I was saying earlier, before my children, they need to cut the video and continue the video now. So you can also go to the channel, to the app, Play Store rather, download it, Boomplay, start using it, and you also see for yourself that what I'm telling you is legit, is working 100%. Just go there, live stream, and if you live stream for 2 hours every day, you have bonus. Take for instance, if you are withdrawing $10 and they are giving you maybe $3 extra in a week when you withdraw, and when you earn more, let's say you earn $20, you are collecting extra $6. You can see, and it is so interesting. Just go there, you see yourself, you will see it yourself that I am not capping. This is not lie. This is not a lie. I'm not lying. So go there, go and download it and start using it, and come back to my comment section to come and give me my review. And if you have any question you want me to answer, or you don't understand anything concerning this video, you can go to the comment section and ask me. I will be glad to help you. So that will be the end of the video for today. I will see you all in my next video. Do well to like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. This will do me a lot of good, and thank you all. I love you.